Hi everyone! In this video we're going to make Dalgona candy or honeycomb toffee. It's very popular right now, and if you're not living under a rock, I'm sure you know why. And of course, it's because of the Netflix series Squid Games. Making it is really easy. Trust me, you don't really need any fancy equipment. So now let's go to the kitchen and we'll make some Dalgona candy. We only need 2 ingredients. We need 3 tablespoons of sugar and 1/8 teaspoon of baking soda. We also need a cookie cutter. You can use any shapes that you have in your kitchen right now. I only have a circle one, and because we're currently in lockdown here in New Zealand and only supermarkets are open, and unfortunately they're out of cookie cutters, I wasn't able to get any other shapes. But don't worry, if you don't have any as well, that's okay. You can make shapes using a clean cardboard or a paper plate and just stick them together using a tape, and you can make something like this. We also need a bowl or anything that has a flat bottom to flatten the candy. So here I found a glass lunchbox and I'm just going to use this. So before we make our Dalgona candy, lightly brush the things that we're going to use with butter or oil. Get a small cooking pan, the smallest you can probably find in your kitchen, and turn the heat on to low heat. Now we're going to melt the sugar in the small cooking pan. So just leave it there and you would notice after 2 to 4 minutes, it will start to melt. Now we can see that the sugar is starting to melt. You can stir the syrup with a stick. I'm just using a chopstick just to make sure that all of the sugar melts. Once it's melted like this, take it off the heat straight away. Add a pinch of baking soda and keep stirring until it turns into like a caramel color. Be careful, don't stir it too hard because the sugar might splatter on your skin and burn it, because that happened to me and I just hope you guys don't experience that. Quickly pour it over the parchment paper. Then flatten it while it's still hot. Because we greased it earlier, we should be able to lift the bowl easily. Press the cookie with the cookie cutter and remove it carefully. And because we greased this as well, it should come off really easily. Important tip to remember while doing this is to do everything very quickly and don't leave the melted sugar on the pan for too long, otherwise it would start to become real hard and you won't be able to flatten and press the shape. It's pretty straightforward to make, as I promised. Now you can try and carve the shape, and good luck, hopefully you end up alive. And thank you guys for watching. Hope you liked it. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and follow us on Instagram at PreMC for more updates. See you on the next one. Bye!